You know that feeling when you're in a crowded room and instead of enjoying the company, your mind is racing? That's one sign of quiet anxiety. You might find yourself overthinking every little interaction, replaying conversations in your head long after they've ended. Another sign? You often feel physically drained after social events, even if you didn't do much. It's like your energy gets zapped just from being around others. You might also notice that you avoid eye contact, not because you're shy, but because the thought of connecting feels overwhelming. Do you often feel a knot in your stomach before social situations? That's your body's way of signaling anxiety. And let's not forget about the constant need for reassurance, whether it's about your performance at work or your relationships. You might also find yourself getting lost in daydreams, escaping into your thoughts instead of engaging with the world around you. And when it comes to making decisions, you hesitate, fearing the judgment of others. If you catch yourself feeling more comfortable texting than talking face-to-face, that's another clue. Lastly, you may struggle with perfectionism, believing that if everything isn't just right, you'll be judged. Recognizing these signs is the first step to understanding your quiet anxiety.